We've recently covered how firearms gradually replaced bows, as they became more accurate and quicker to reload. But what about crossbows? Why did they exist alongside bows rather than replacing them? While we have evidence of early crossbows going back as far as the 5th century BC, they didn't see widespread use in Europe until about the 10th century AD. Crossbows were used as an alternative ranged weapon to normal bows, as they provided a range of advantages to their wielder. Firstly, it was much easier to train a soldier in the use of a crossbow than a bow. Firing a crossbow accurately required less strength and physical skill. Secondly, crossbows were more capable of piercing plate armor, which became especially relevant in the late Middle Ages. Bows, on the other hand, had a much faster rate of fire, as a longbowman could shoot around 10 to 12 arrows per minute, while a crossbowman was limited to around 2 to 3 bolts in the same time due to the mechanical reloading process. Bows were also more accurate at longer ranges in the hands of a capable archer. In the end, whether a bow or crossbow was used often depended on what purpose the weapon was meant to achieve, or cultural context, as the English and Welsh had a long-standing tradition of longbow use, whereas the Chinese had used crossbows ever since the Warring States period of the 5th to 3rd centuries BC. With the emergence of firearms, combining the advantages of quick rate of fire and armor piercing, crossbows and bows eventually vanished together around the 17th century. Now, as always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe and become a channel member to enjoy exclusive benefits.